A simple traffic control situation in Texas quickly turned into one of the most controversial roadside confrontations caught on camera. On the morning of September 20th, 2024, officers were assisting with traffic control while crews trimmed a tree that partially blocked a roadway. Cones were placed and emergency lights were active, signaling drivers to proceed carefully or reroute. But one key issue changed everything. There was no clear officer directly guiding traffic through the closure. As a rented box truck approached the area, the driver attempted to navigate what appeared to be an unclear and partially blocked lane. The situation—
Get back! Now! This is a police order!
The officer then demanded the driver's identification, claiming the vehicle was impeding traffic. The driver questioned the situation, repeatedly asking what he had done wrong and requesting clarification. As tensions increased, the officer insisted this was now a traffic stop and ordered the driver to provide his license immediately. The driver refused, asking for a supervisor and continuing to challenge the basis of the stop. The interaction became more heated, with commands repeated, voices raised, and compliance breaking down on both sides. Shortly after, the officer later stated that the driver interfered with official duties and failed to provide identification during a lawful traffic stop. However, body cam footage showed the driver initially attempting to